Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on your HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is toggle the Bluetooth off and on in the settings. So let's unlock the device. And now we just go over to settings. Here we go over to Bluetooth, and now we just tap on the switch right here to completely disable the Bluetooth. As you guys can see, the icon from the status bar disappeared. Now after we enable it back, it's back here. So now after toggling the Bluetooth off and on, what can we do is, if we have the device that doesn't want to connect to our Bluetooth or to our phone, then we can simply unpair it and then repair it again. So all you have to do is select one of your devices, then click forget on it, and then pair it again. After that, what you guys can do is restart the phone and the Bluetooth device. So whatever device it is that you're using, it has a different method of restarting. So it's up to you how you do that. But for the phone, you need to hold the power button until you guys see the power off and restart menu pop up. Click on restart and tap again to restart the phone. So I'll see you guys once my phone is turned back on. So now after the restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is update your software to fix any connectivity glitches. So now let's just unlock the phone, go over to the settings and scroll down until you guys see system and updates. Here we need to click on software update, and it will check for updates automatically. So my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important, and if you don't do that, then you may have some different glitches than just Bluetooth not connecting to your device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.